Hello and welcome to the RANsquawk Weekly Wrap-Up video. So we're just going to take a moment to answer a couple of the questions you sent into the desk this week. So the first thing we're going to focus on is the situation regarding Greece. So we have seen some pretty positive comments today from some Greek government sources. They are expecting the Greek talks with their bondholders to have a draft statement concluded by at some point later this weekend, Sunday being touted as a possible example, and hopefully the outcome of this will be presented at Monday's EU summit. So in terms of some of the things that we're looking out for, current expectation is for a haircut on Greek bonds of around about 50%. This is generally being touted. In terms of one of the things that's still yet to be agreed on will be the coupon of the bonds that will be issued. So these bonds are likely to be 30 years in duration, and the talk of the coupon is somewhere between 3.7 and 3.8%. However, this is yet to be fully agreed. It is thought that in particular Germany is one of the main opponents of the Greek coupon. So we'll really be looking out for a resolution on this on Monday, and we have seen some move to the upside in euro dollar today, largely on anticipation of a favourable outcome. So this is in euro dollar. We take the 132 handle today, so we'll really look for any follow through on this on Monday. If there is a distinct lack of progress or a presentation of the solution to the Greek debt talks, we may well see some potential weakness in euro dollar on Monday. So other things occurring on Monday, we have the EU summit to look forward to. So these are informal talks, and it's unlikely to be anything particularly major coming out of the EU summit. Some of the things to look out for are any comments on Eurozone growth and particularly Eurozone jobs. So I'm just going to take a moment to focus on some of the market action from today. So one of the main things was the US GDP. That was the advanced fourth quarter reading. It did come in at 2.8%. That was 0.2% softer than the consensus. So we see a bit of a move lower in US stock futures following the release of this data. In other events, we also saw Fitch cut 5 notable European sovereigns, including Italy, Belgium, Spain, Slovenia and Cyprus. Fitch affirmed Ireland. So this to see initial fast money move lower. However, this has been paired after, this was largely expected after Fitch placed the Six Nations on rating watch negative back in December, and the expectation was for this to be resolved by the end of January. So in terms of what to look out for next week, one of the main things we'll be keeping an eye on will be the US non-farm payroll headline. This is expected around the 150,000 mark as of today. So that's in 1 week's time, the first Friday of February. Other events occurring next week. We also have a couple of corporate names reporting earnings. One of the particular highlights will be Exxon. There'll be particular focus on them after Chevron's slightly disappointing earnings today. They were down around 2% at current prices.